Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn the 5 signs that can help us tell whether our computer is in good condition or bad condition. Okay, so let's get started. And the very first sign that can help us know that our computer is good is when the startup time doesn't take long. So when when you're experiencing too long startup time, just follow this process or these few steps to fix that issue. So let's get into it. And here in our Windows icon, please make a right click and let us go to Task Manager options. And this window will come up on our screen. So let me just expand this one and let us go to Startup Apps. So here in the Startup Apps, you will see the applications that you disabled or enabled during startup. And all you need to do here is to see the enabled apps and determine if it's unnecessary or unwanted during startup, and you can disable them just by selecting it and then making a right click on it and then clicking this disable button. Okay, so that's how you do it. And here under processes tab, so the second thing is the disk usage. So if your computer is in good condition, the CPU is always lesser than 30%. So as you can see in my CPU usage, it's 20 to 21%. And now when your CPU usage goes beyond 50% or 60%, we can fix that by making sure that all the unwanted application under processes app or a processes tab are not running. So once you see unwanted app that's running, then just close it, or you can also disable it and make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so another thing or the third thing is the DNS resolution. So whenever you open a browser, so let's open our Google Chrome browser for example, and then you see that the loading time is too slow, for example MSN, and you'll see that when you're visiting a site and then it takes too long to load it or for it to load, then we can make some changes with its DNS server. So all we need to do is just open a run window, and we can do that by clicking Windows R key together. And here we can type, or we need to type it's ncpa dot cpl. So it's ncpa.cpl, and then click on OK. And then let's wait for this network connections window to come up on our screen. So here let's just select for the Wi-Fi or the internet connection that we are connected with, and then make a right click on it once selected, and then let's go to properties. And then wait for this Wi-Fi properties window to come up on our screen. So here, let's just select this IPv4 option, and then once selected, please go to properties. So here under the option that says use the following DNS server addresses, please make sure that for the preferred DNS server, you type or you have their 8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, you type 8.8.4.4, and then once done typing, please click on OK, and then you can now click on close. Okay, so that's how you do it. And also for the fourth thing, here still on our Chrome browser, we can click on our three dots icon and go to settings option. Here under settings, you will see it from the left pane, the privacy and security options. Just click on it, and under privacy and security, please click on delete browsing data. So here we will delete the cookies and the histories and everything that's unwanted in our Google Chrome browser. So for the instead of basic, please click on advanced, and for the time range, please click on all time. And for the options here, please just leave the selected options. Okay, so we have the browsing history, download history, the cookies and other site data, the cache images and files. So I'll just leave the passwords and other sign-in data unchecked. and the autofill form data unchecked also. And for the site settings and the hosted app data, I will include that in deleting the other options. So once you selected for the options or the options that you want to be deleted, just proceed on clicking delete data. Okay, so once done, we have another one or another last thing to do, that is to delete the junk, the bad registries, the cache, and the temporary files that make our computer slow. So all we need to do is just open our run window again. So we can do that by pressing Windows R key and let this run window to come up on our screen. And here we need to type clean mgr and then click on OK. Click on OK again. And here, just select for the files that you would like to delete. For example, the downloaded program files and all. You can also include the net recycle bin and the temporary files if you want. So if you don't have any important files in the recycle bin, you can also include them. Okay, so let me just select everything. And then once you now selected for the files that you would like to delete, just click on OK. So if you want to permanently delete these files, just proceed on clicking delete files. And the disk cleanup utility will be cleaning up the unnecessary files on your machine. So just wait for this to be done, and then after this process to be done, just make a quick restart with your laptop or device, and you will see that your computer will be in good condition from now on. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.